A resume is a document that contains your information in the form of biodata that can help the recruiter know your qualifications and experience. In this video, you will learn about some helpful rules to assist you write a resume with its do's and don'ts. Resume writing is a critical task that requires it to be written under some guidelines and rules. These are 5 golden rules that will help you compose a powerful resume. If you follow these, your application will be strong and effective with the employer. Even if you have an excellent GPA, your work experience, internships, and participation in extracurricular activities translate much more strongly to on-the-job performance. It helps the recruiter visualize your ability to do a job you will be hired for. It is a fact that most applying software tracks the keywords for the job profile and matches them with your resume. It is how they can find a potential candidate for a job. Using the correct terminology will help you get many relevant offers. Many studies shows that most liked candidates have measurable results on their resumes in the form of numbers or percentages. Companies these days prefer resumes with a data matrix to help them understand the candidate better and qualify for the profile. Many people, while applying for a formal profile, use a font that is not very professional. Some advised fonts are Times New Roman, Arial Georgia, Trebuchet MS, etc. You must only showcase your resume's decency for the employer to judge you this way. When looking for a job, you will apply for several of them to find the most suitable one. But, if you are not making some necessary changes in the resume with the requirements of a different job profile, you might not get the desired interview. Once you are content with the golden rule for resume writing, let's learn about some of the most recommended do's and don'ts to create a professional resume. When writing a resume, certain things must be kept in mind. Make it the best of the skills and traits you have acquired with time. These two are some of the most necessary things a student should include in a resume. The skills section of a resume is critical in assisting the employer in understanding the set of knowledge you possess that can benefit the job responsibilities. When applying for a job, such as for a marketing profile, make sure you state the skills relevant to it first and then others. Even if you have taken care of everything a resume should have, there is still a need to proofread it properly. Being a student, you might not understand a mistake and jeopardize it. To avoid that, take an expert's help in proofreading it. Here are some of the don'ts you must try to avoid while crafting it. These are 2 common mistakes most students make when preparing their resumes for the first time. Do not make mistake going overboard with your resume. Keep it concise. Only mention the details that will benefit you in your hiring. Filling it with more than the necessary information can hamper how employers look at your candidature. If this is your first time applying for a job, remember not to mention anything you cannot show proof of. It is a common mistake made by amateur students. Their candidature and credibility are at risk when they cannot prove any details from their resume. Thank you for watching this video. Hope after this, writing a solid resume will be easy for you. If you wish to see more resume writing tips videos, subscribe to our channel, as we have many more educational videos coming soon.